It is so hot. So hot in here.
Do you want to go to the beach?
Yes, please, 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 please.
Tírate a nadar ya, ¿no?
Yeah.
Nice. How's the water?
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Woohoo! So we are here in Sant Feliu in La Costa Brava. I was here a few days ago for a shooting, and now I wanted to show Du and every one of you at home. So we were exploring the area, and finally we found a place for us to be alone. It was a hard ride, a lot of rocks. But we finally arrived, and now we're just enjoying.
Our home for today.
Exactly. We needed a little bit of shadow to take a rest and then keep walking. So we're just eating here.
So what's in our ice bag?
Let's check it out. We have water, sandwiches, ice.
2 ice bags. We put some ice in these bags.
And it's breaking so far. It's really cold, as you can see.
Yeah. We just got in the car. We've been swimming for 4 hours, right?
Yes.
Now we're gonna try to find a place to fly the drone that we just bought to make more quality content. But we have to keep studying and figuring out how it works, and yeah, let's find out. To hear voice prompts, ensure the battery level.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
So a friend of us that is a photographer told us to go to a natural park that is called Montseny, that is an hour away from Barcelona. So that's what we're going to do. Irmão, ¿vamos al Montseny? ¿Sí? Vale, pues quedamos en una hora. Alright, let's go.
We just arrived to Montseny. Let's go.
We're lost. Are we lost?
No, sí. Creo que estábamos. ¿Que no hemos venido de ahí o no?
I think we're lost right now. Thank you guys for watching this video.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. We created a new Instagram account together for us to engage more with you and show you our daily activities.
Yes, we're gonna be posting a lot, so make sure to follow us.
We'll be back really fast with more adventures to show you. See
Yes.
you really soon.
Stay tuned.